Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can manage cases in RunManager. Let's start by creating a new one. Click on the new button. It opens the case form. Here, except for the case name and description that you have to write in, there are drop downs for most of the fields, which contains the options that are available. After filling up this form, clicking on save will create a new case. Next, I will show you how to create a copy of a case. To do that, double click on the case you want to make a copy of. That will open the case in its edit mode. Now if you just change the name of the case and save it, a copy of the case will be created with the new name. Moving on to how you can edit a case, which is pretty straightforward. All you have to do is open the case in its edit mode, which you already know is done by double clicking on it. Make your desired changes to the case and save it. Lastly, deleting existing cases. To do so, click on the checkboxes next to the cases you want to delete and then click on delete button. A successful delete will refresh your cases.